Hey guys, so if you're looking for a way how you can reset the VTech baby monitor, so locate the pair key on the back or button of the baby unit, press and hold the, I will remove this, wait a second. Locate the pair key on the back or bottom of the baby unit, press and hold the key for 3 seconds. Do you see that? The pair key, it's right here, behind the camera, or it's going to be on the bottom. Right, you see right here, there are multiple instances where it can be here, 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 or here. And if you do not hear, voice prompt say beep ready to start pairing or beep only, unplug the baby unit from power supply and then plug it back in and wait for 30 seconds and then press pair key for 3 seconds again. And then what you want to do, you should see the status LED flashing green and orange lights alternately. Press the pair key consecutively at least 5 times until you hear 2 beep sounds. So you should see the status LED flashing green and orange lights alternately. Press the pair key consecutively at least 5 times until you hear 2 beep sounds. Do not unplug from power supply. Wait for 15 seconds for the baby unit to reset itself and reboot. And for parent unit, factory reset, on the idle screen, press and follow this key sequence, talk and menu select, and you see right here, top, down. So you're gonna have menu select, top, down, top, down, top. So menu select, top, down, down, top, talk. On the reset screen, press menu select to confirm the factory reset. And after the factory reset, the baby monitor is in direct mode, and please reconnect the baby monitor to root mode by following the procedure to connect Wi-Fi. So check this out.